What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and in today's video we are going hiking. More specifically, we are going out hiking to film an ad for our new tour brand, The Big Walk. It should be loads of fun. We're going to let you in a little bit on what's going on in our company, and we're also going to show you a nice little levada walk up in São Vicente that you can do very easily. It's one of my favorites. So without any further ado, let's get moving. Coffee, so we can make a plan on today's video. So in today's video we're going to talk a little bit more about hiking in Madeira. We're going to talk about The Big Walk, which is our hiking brand here, and we're actually on two missions today. One of them is to film the video that we're going to be using for social media. So we're doing a little ad, a humorous little ad, and we've got some friends with us. We've actually got one or two that have done The Big Walk before. And some new friends, so we'll introduce you, hopefully, maybe something that you guys can connect with. So yeah, we're having a little bit of coffee, making some time, waiting for some other people, and also making a plan with Oscar about what we'll be filming today. We're in São Vicente, and we're going to go up to Levada de Fajá de Ama, or Levada de Rodrigues, one of my personal favorites. It's nice and short, easy, kind of flat. There is a little bit of vertigo and you do have to be careful, but it's a pretty nice levada. We can talk about that when we get up there. So yeah, Oscar, let's get to work. We're filming a promotional ad, as I said at the coffee. We had this idea where we'd have this like good guide, bad guide. So I'm playing both guides. One is like a military style guide, and it's actually inspired by Ant Middleton. Some of you might know who Ant Middleton is, but he's basically an ex-Special Forces kind of guy who did the Special Forces reality show where people go on a camp and they have to do all this like hardcore training stuff, and you know the Special Forces military guys basically like abuse them verbally. You know, and they're all just like shouting like, come on, go, go, and all this like crazy stuff. And I had this idea like, how cool would it be if we had this like guide who was just abusive, you know, and then you have a good guide, and it would be funny, you know, to provide that humor. So that's what we're doing today. We got some extras. We got our friends that are out here that hopefully you'll meet, who are going to be in the video. And we're going to show you this beautiful levada. This is one of my favorite levadas because it's relatively easy to get to. It's relatively flat and it's relatively short. All right, so I'm going to go through it as we do a little bit of it. We're on a time frame. Some people have to be back earlier. So we probably won't do the whole walk, but we're at least introducing to walk to some of our friends so they can bring their friends here, right? Just trying to give some value to people. And we don't do this walk on our program, but we will talk about our program and we'll talk more about this walk. So less blabbing, we're going to show you some nice stuff, and then we're going to find a cool spot where we can do the ad, because we just need one little spot. We're going to shoot everything, so be nice and quick, and then we can move on with our lives. So if you see a spot here, just tell me. It's got to be wide, so we can have enough space. Well lit. Yeah, well lit, the whole story. Yeah, it will be away from the water. How we doing?
Sorry about the delay.
It's okay.
Yeah, good to see you, man.
Nice.
You good?
Jeez, those lats. Oh my God. Hey, it's all the burgers. Yeah. This is the dream team. All right. We'll get you guys on camera. We can tell people what you do.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Hey, if you want to.
Yeah. Up to you, man.
No stress. Yeah, no pressure. No pressure. You're in front of camera. All right, now we can go. Let's go. That's it. I've just changed in the middle of the levada. So this is bad cop, right? Bad guide, military guides. And I've had to hide the long hair because, you know, it's not very military to have long hair, right? So yeah, we're gonna bring the guys back and we're gonna do some things. We wanted to just show them something. You do need to be very, very careful because there are big drops and there has been accidents here. So I don't like talking about negative things, but there has been accidents here. So yeah, when the guys come back, hopefully they didn't go too far, hey Oscar? We found a nice little spot around the corner where we've got some space to do the ads. And we're gonna do all the bad guide scenes first. And then we're gonna then I'm gonna change into good guide, you know, long hair, colorful stuff and like chilled out. And, yeah, well, kind of. Madeira and Hawaii of Europe t-shirts. You'll see, I think you'll like it. Anyway, yeah, let's go through the shots one more time. And then and we're gonna get to work. We ain't f***ing laughing and giggling now, are we?
Get in the Levada and shoot upwards.
That would be a good shot.
No, anyway.
Are you worried? Yeah, this is how I'm constantly, you know? Constantly worried. I'm kidding. Ready? Okay. You. This is a flat walk. Imagine if we were in Alaska. This is a subtropical climate. You guys, yeah, almost. Eh? Something like that? You like it?
You're on a roll.
I'm on a roll. You. Oh. You. Yeah, no. This is a flat walk. Update, I always feel like a little bit of an idiot on these things. And now that there's other people involved, I'm hoping that they don't feel like idiots as well. But I think it's looking pretty good from what I've seen, Oscar, and people say it's good. So we've got the majority of the shots done. There's only just one more shot left. So we can almost say it's a wrap. And we're doing good on time as well. And this is a flat walk. This is a flat walk. Sorry, guys. It's a subtropical climate. Imagine what?
Imagine all the people.
Imagine all the people. Hiking in Madeira is no joke. The moment. I'm sorry, the moment.
Go for it, we'll just
Okay.
keep rolling.
Yeah, that's a wrap. Yeah. Ooh.
Love it.
Let's move. It's okay. Go. So Melanie over here, Melanie and Grover did a tour with me.
Yes.
When they arrived in the island, looking to move. It was what I was calling the neighborhood tour at the time. We were looking at neighborhoods that you were potentially interested in. Remember? I'm sure you remember. I'm the one who doesn't remember.
It was great.
And then you guys won the Big Walk giveaway.
So fun. Yes.
Yeah. So myself, Melanie, Grover, and a bunch of other people, and my wife Elisa went. I think it was about 7. It was somewhere between 7 to 10 days. I can't remember how long, because the Big Walk has changed over the years. And yeah, so if anyone has experience hiking with our business, it's Melanie and Grover.
I feel like we've done a lot. Yeah. We love it. We love it though. Especially the Big Walk. It was a great way to see the island. It was a great way to experience Jeff and Veronica and hit the road. So yeah, it was great fun.
Thank you. And you also did the new Big Walk, which is now what we're doing now, which is the day trips. You did the peak-to-peak hike.
Love it. Yes.
And I'm sure it's cool that you can just jump on a hike whenever you want, right? That's kind of what we're doing.
Yes. And you always know that with your crew that you're in good hands, and it's always a great experience.
Awesome. Well, thank you for the work, Melanie.
Of course.
Do you want to let us know as well, let everybody know what you do, because you are an incredible human being and you've got a great business as well. So maybe you want to let everyone know what you're doing.
Sure.
And this is my way of saying thank you for the push-ups.
Absolutely, sure. Yes, I'm a coach, a nutritionist, and a personal trainer, and I basically work online with people all over the world, doing a lot of kind of body recomposition is a big part of it. So weight loss and training, and whether you've never been to the gym or you want to get into the gym, it's all of that. But with a heavy duty focus on holistic health and the nutrition and making it part of your lifestyle. And so that's a lot of what I do. And I do marathon coaching, triathlon coaching. I do bodybuilding competition prep. I'm a former competitor myself, so I love it all. Anything to do with the human body and staying as healthy and fit as possible. That's what I do. It's bodyworksfit.com is the name of my company. That's Bodyworks with an X. So you can find me online. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram. Bodyworks Fit, Bodyworks Girl. That's where I'm at.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Melanie.
Absolutely.
Thanks for your time. I know you got very little. Yeah. Let's get something to drink.
Sounds good.
And we'll get to hear from some other people. Don't go away. We're going to show the ad, how it came out. All right, so don't go away. It should be fun. Chris, thanks for the push-ups. All right.
Pleasure. Anytime.
All right, this is my way of paying you back somehow.
Yeah.
You get some airtime on the world's greatest vlog.
Well, at least now my chest is semi-pumped from the push-ups.
Did I ruin your rest day?
Yeah, that was it. Rest day was over. But yeah, thank you for inviting me over, even if it was just for the push-ups.
I think it was well worth it.
And just to shout at me as well. You're like, oh, come do this cool hike. And I was like, yeah. And then it's like push-ups and shouting at me. I'm like, what? What did I get myself into?
You said that you used to do this kind of stuff for your business, right?
Yeah.
You know, what do you think? Do you think it came out right? Like, do you think?
Yeah, it was fun. I think like as long as you have some kind of like structure on what you want to kind of get out of it, and then have fun. I mean, none of us are actors, right? Or I don't know.
No.
Yours was convincing.
Mine was convincing.
Yeah. You were seeing the shots where you're like staring me in the eyes. I feel it. Yeah,
Okay.
I felt the.
Well, let's hope that these guys see it as well.
Yeah.
You've just moved over. You guys have just moved over.
Yep.
What's it like in Madeira for the first 6 months?
Yeah, absolutely love it. Literally fell in love with Madeira my first visit, and then me and my partner Karina, we just spoke and was like, right, how can we make this a full-time move? And then it's been 2 years of back and forth, and then yesterday I got my residency here, so I'm not leaving. I'm staying here now.
Great. Well,
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man.
I look
Obrigado.
forward to denial. I'd look forward to seeing you on more tours.
Yep.
You know, we're going to show you around. Is there anything you want to tell these guys? You want to tell these guys about your business, what you do?
Well, me and my partner, we run a coaching business for like transformations for men and women to get into their best shape of their lives, not just physically, but also just mentally, and really giving them the inner confidence to not just feel great within themselves, but be the inspiration to the other people around them. That's something that's super important to us, and yeah, we love it. So that's what we do.
Well, I love the idea of being around like-minded people, so that's why I like being around you guys. Right, just ignore the hair.
No, we love the
like
hair,
it.
man. Keep the hair. I'm gonna try and grow the Jeff.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, maybe it's time for us to roll the clip. All right. So let's go and roll the ad. All right. Magically, it's all done. Right. I hope you guys like it, and then we can wrap up the video straight after. Hiking in Madeira is no joke. The moment you let your guard down, you'll find yourself halfway through the trail with no end in sight, wishing you had stayed in bed in the morning. Move! This is not a vacation! Let's go! Go! We ain't f***ing laughing and giggling now, are we? This is not Alaska. You're compromising not only yourselves, but our whole island. Let's pick up the pace. We look like a bunch of tourists. Phew. You're lucky we're not with that guy. What was that? Shit, run. Discover Madeira like never before with The Big Walk. Join our daily hikes that take you off the beaten path in small groups and away from the crowds. Book now to avoid disappointment at www.thebigwalkmadeira.com. That's that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy little video this week. We have been super productive. Finally, the Big Walk website has been uploaded and online, and that helps answer a little bit more questions about our tours, gives you more photos so you can see what the tours are like, some bigger descriptions, and all sorts of things. So check out the Big Walk Madeira if you want to come hiking in Madeira. The pros are that if you don't want to be driving around and looking for all the places and parking the cars and walking there and back, you can do a guided tour and you don't need to worry about a thing. We've got an interesting program set up, and we also at all costs avoid the crowds, right, and still see the main attractions in Madeira. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There is more great stuff to come, so if you want to see more Madeira stuff, then like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think of our acting skills, if you enjoyed this video, something a little bit different. Oscar?
Let's hit the road.
Who's hit the road?
Hit the road, man.